Hi, and welcome to this introductory talk regarding the Postgraduate Diploma in Healthcare Innovation here within Trinity College Dublin. My name is Alison, Keogh, and I'm going to be guiding you through some of the information about this course, its content, its structure, and some information about our past students. But first, we're going to have an introductory message from our course director, Professor Seamus Donnelly.
Working within the healthcare sector, we can see how it is changing, how it is transforming at a rapidly changing pace. And innovation is one of the key drivers for those rapid changes that we see on a day-to-day basis in our work environment. In this postgraduate diploma, we have a vision for identifying real leaders within the healthcare sector and enhancing their ability to deliver, adapt, innovation, new technologies for the betterment of patient care. Our graduates will be the Trojan horses, changing the system from within. This diploma will challenge you, will extend your skill set in the context of the adaptation and the rolling out of novel technological solutions within your own work environment and within the Irish health system. You will gain valuable insights into how creative solutions globally have been brought into the healthcare system for the benefit of patients. On a personal level, you will enhance your own ability to identify challenges within the healthcare sector, the ability to assess, the ability to adopt, the ability to roll out innovative solutions within your own work environment, within the Irish health system for the improvement of patient care. You will gain an in-depth knowledge of the dynamics and the challenges of adopting technological solutions in a healthcare environment such as Ireland. The diploma consists of 8 modules, 6 are taught modules, and then there are 2 modules that run in parallel, which consists of methodology workshops and also a parallel project in which you identify a significant problem within your own work environment and you work in the diploma towards an innovative technological solution to that problem. You'll receive fundamental grounding in key subjects, and these would include design thinking and embedding a culture of innovation, process innovation, lean thinking, social innovation and health economics, and innovation and leadership. At Trinity, it is our shared vision that as each year passes, we will create a larger and larger cohort of ambassadors of innovation within the Irish healthcare system. You will drive change within the Irish healthcare system. The revolution is happening. We want you to be part of that revolution.
So, as we heard there from Professor Donnelly, this course is all about healthcare innovation. But what is healthcare innovation and why should we care about it? Well, healthcare is like any domain in the world at the moment in that it is undergoing a fundamental shift in how it does things. And this shift is predominantly digital in nature. We're seeing major advances in data analytics, in AI, precision medicine, genomics, wearable sensors, electronic healthcare records, and much more. And all of this is probably likely to change how we prevent conditions, diagnose them, monitor them, treat them, all throughout the course of the lifespan. Obviously with the ultimate aim of improving the efficiency of the healthcare system, but also most importantly in improving patient outcomes. The thing with it though is that despite these massive advances in technologies, what we're seeing is a big gap between what is potentially possible and what is current in terms of our structures and our funding around healthcare. So in order to narrow this gap and see these improvements in efficiency and in patient outcomes, what we need to do is effect change within the healthcare system in order to implement these advances into practice. So in order to do this, we need people that will work forward in order to make these changes happen. And so that's what we're trying to do with this course. We're trying to create leaders of innovation. These might be the people that have a big idea for a new company, or they might be somebody that simply has an idea about how to improve a process within their own internal environment. But regardless, these people need to have the knowledge, the skills, the confidence, and the awareness about how to meaningfully impact change within their environment and beyond. And so that's what we're looking to do with this course. We've partnered with the Health Innovation Hub Ireland in order to create a course that is at the highest level of healthcare innovation within this country. This postgraduate diploma is different from the certificate because it has more modules. It takes place across the entire year, which makes it much more intensive. And also its 2 project-based modules are much more practical in nature. And so all of this combined means that this postgraduate diploma sits at the top of healthcare innovation and in creating ambassadors of change within the healthcare system. What we're looking to do is create students and healthcare professionals and beyond that have the skills in order to implement this change meaningfully and in order to understand what change means, and also to be able to collaborate with researchers both within industry and beyond. So we're looking to affect change internally within the HSE, but also externally with these collaborations. And so how we're doing that is through the development of this 60 credit postgraduate diploma course. The course is split into 6 taught and 2 self-directed modules. The 6 taught modules take place every 5 to 6 weeks, all day Friday and all day Saturday within Trinity College Dublin, where attendance is mandatory. Prior to the modules, you'll be given a number of pre-readings. You'll also be given some pre-module assignments. During the module itself, then there'll be guest lectures, there'll be group work, and there'll be a lot of discussions from which you can learn from. And then following the module's completion, you'll have some post-module assignments so you can demonstrate the learning that you've achieved. So there's no exams, and this course has been set up to allow you to continue to work full-time during the year that you'll be a student on it. So as you can see here, our taught modules take place between September and April, and they cover topics such as design thinking, process innovation, new ventures, economics, and leadership. Our 2 self-directed modules take place over the summer, and the purpose of them is really for you to design and create a project for change which is meaningful for you, which you could implement within your own healthcare environment, and obviously which is of interest to you. So the idea is that you'll take all the foundational skills that you've learned within the taught modules, you'll map them together, and then you'll rationalize and develop a project that could be implemented within the real world during these self-directed modules over the summer. So the course is led by this team of experts, as you can see here. We are multidisciplinary in nature. We come from domains including medicine, healthcare in general, digital health, economics, business, and engineering. And we'll work together to guide you through all the various aspects of the course as the year progresses. In terms of our past students, typically our classes will take in no more than 30 students every year. The majority of our students are current HSE employees, whether that be from the administrative side, the management side, or the clinical side. Typically, our applicants are mid to senior level when they do apply, with the majority of them having a postgraduate qualification to their name already. So they are coming with multiple years of experience, whether that be within the HSE or through industry, whether it be pharmaceutical companies, entrepreneurs, that sort of thing. But basically, that is one of the strengths of this course, is this mid to senior level applicant, because it means that there's years of real world experience that can be drawn upon and collectively learned during the modules as they take place. We only have 2 requirements for the course. The first is that you are proficient in English, and the second is that you have a 2-1 degree already. Now, if you don't have this, but you do have some extensive experience, we may be able to work around this, but basically we ask that you get in touch so we can check your eligibility specifically. So following on from our course, our students have all demonstrated, the ability to take the skills that they have learned and to put them into practice. So we have examples of people that have received funding and awards through Big Ideas, through Health Innovation Hub Ireland, and through Spark Innovation Programme, effectively looking for the means to support them to implement the ideas that they have in order to foster change within the healthcare system. We also see that some people change roles. Some people may change roles within the HSE, or they may actually move externally into industry. So for example, we do have some people that have moved into consultancy roles for companies such as Accenture. But either way, what we are seeing is that people are taking the skills that they have learned from the course and they are putting them into practice, either through their own kind of environments or beyond, in order to foster change within the healthcare system within Ireland. So this course does come with some associated fees. For EU students, it is 8,140 for the year, and for non-EU students, it is 16,280, and there is some tax relief available on these. For employees within the HSE, we do have a number of limited scholarships which will entitle you to a 50% reduction in the fees. To apply for this course, you follow the link online, which is here on this page, and also on the next page as well. So should you have any questions about this course, whether it be about its content, your eligibility, or about how to apply, please do get in touch with us. We have our email address listed here, along with our newly formed Twitter page. And as I said, the link for the application process is listed here. On that page, you'll also find some past webinars and some links to future webinars where we have undertaken some question and answer sessions with people previously. So either way, if you can't find the answer, please do get in touch with us. We look forward to hearing from you and also to seeing some of you within our new cohort next year.